Windshields, wheels, trucks, and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
This is the Helper Cars garage. And in front are pools of paint. Fuel trucks are coming out of the garage, but they're all gray. Let's paint them. The first fuel truck comes out red. The second one green, and the third one blue. The 3 fuel trucks are heading for work. Who will get on the job first? Here's a construction site. Tower cranes are placing large concrete slabs to reinforce the exit from a tunnel. Without these concrete reinforcements, soil could spill onto the road. A road roller compacts the asphalt to make the road smooth and strong. Uh-oh, these vehicles can't work. They've run out of fuel. The red fuel truck arrives just in time. First, it will refuel the dump truck. Fill it up. All set. The dump truck is ready to go. Now, let's fill up the crane truck. That was quick. Good job, fuel truck. Now, just the excavator is left. Hooray! It's also on the go. Construction work continues. Uh-oh, we almost forgot to refuel the road roller. It's lucky the fuel truck carries lots of fuel. This is a parking garage with a gas station. A pickup truck has come for fuel. And here comes the green fuel truck. It will fill up an underground tank where fuel is stored. These are the tanks that hold the fuel that cars fill up with at gas stations. Great! Now cars can refuel the rest of the day. Convertible, come top up your tank. This is an airport. Airplanes need fuel to fly. The blue fuel truck arrives at the airport. It will refuel the airplanes with kerosene. Kerosene is the fuel used by airplanes. Which airplane should be first? The purple one. Airplanes' fuel tanks are usually in the wing. Fill it with kerosene. Done! Now the purple airplane can take off. It taxis out onto the runway. It accelerates, and off it goes. The fuel trucks have done excellent work. They're heading back to the garage. Until next time, helper cars.
Cars, 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 cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
Some planes have landed at the airport. All the different colored planes are letting down their air stairs. Here come the passengers now. They've brought their suitcases along to the airport. Come on, yellow car. Don't fall behind. Don't take too long packing. Time for the passengers to take their seats. Oh, careful now. The red car is taking the red plane. The purple car is taking the purple plane. And the blue car is taking the blue plane. Which one are you taking? Right, the green airplane. It looks like one of our passengers doesn't have a plane to take. No, little car, that plane's not for you. Your plane should be yellow. There it is, the yellow plane. It's parked up in the hangar. To get the plane out of there, we'll need a special vehicle, a tug. Tug! Come on out. We need your help. What's with the loud screechy sound? Something's not right. Traffic lights. Stop, Tug. The lights have gone red. The tug is stopped in the middle of the crossroads. That can't be right. The tug's brakes aren't working. The recovery truck's taking it to the repair shop. Driving with brakes that don't work can be very dangerous. Let's get the truck onto the work stand. Let's take the wheel off. Ah, the disc is bent out of shape. And the brake pads are worn out. We need to replace them. And the brake discs too. Let's put a new disc in and see how it's working. If we press on the brakes, the pads press on the disc, and the disc stops turning. Let's set the wheel back in place. The job is done. The tug can get to the airport now. The yellow car is tired of waiting. Here comes the tug. Yay! Quickly, take the airplane out onto the takeoff strip. The airplane's lowered its air stairs. The car is aboard now. But it forgot its suitcase. Time for takeoff now. Bon voyage! The planes are starting their engines. They're picking up speed. And they're taking off. Have a safe flight.
Cars, cars, cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
Oh my! There's a storm and some very strong winds outside. The poor car transporter is going to have trouble driving in this weather. Ah, a tornado! Hold tight, little cars. Oh no! The storm is over, but all the cars are broken. One's lost a wheel, another lost his number. And the blue car's got a scratch. The red car is split in two. And the car transporter is overturned. We'll need lots of helper cars. Let's get different colored tow trucks to help. A color for each car. A red tow truck. A green tow truck. What color will these cars be? Blue, orange, and purple. The 5 tow trucks are ready to go and help. They're going to take the broken cars to the repair shop. The tow trucks are at the site of the accident. Look, the crane truck is already here. He's lifting the car transporter up. Now, let's put each car on the tow truck with the same color. The green car goes on the green tow truck. The red car goes on the red one. The blue car goes on the blue one. The purple car goes on the purple one. The orange car can get to the repair shop on the orange tow truck. They're almost there. Go on in. Let's start the repairs. What do we need? A new tire. There's one. The green car's number has come off. Where is it? There it is. The orange car is missing a wheel. Which one do we need, though? The right one. That's 3 cars fixed now. The car transporter has brought its platform down. Climb aboard! It's the red car's cabin. We need to put it in a chassis. All done. Haha, good as new. The blue car has got a scratch. Let's paint over it. We'll need some blue paint and a brush. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. The scratch is gone. The cars are leaving the repair shop and getting back on the car transporter. It's taking them to the car show. And the helper cars are going back to their garage. There will probably be a new task tomorrow, so they'll need to get some good rest.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The yellow car is off to the shops for some sweets. But the weather in Candy Town isn't great today. The sky is full of storm clouds, and there's a strong wind blowing. But there's the candy ball machine. Little car, there's no time to play. We've got to get back home. Now look, the candy balls have flown away. It's starting to rain. Look out, little car. It's a hurricane. The hurricane is turning everything over. The candy shops are being pulled up into the air. My, oh my! The wind was very strong. Their foundations weren't strong enough, so all the buildings have been flipped over. We've got to lay some new foundations and get all the shops back in place. Do you know what to do? Let's go to the helper car's garage for some help. Knock, knock, knock! We'll need 4 concrete mixers for the job. A green one. A blue one. An orange one. And a pink one. The concrete mixers are off to Candy Town. Each of them is going to lay the foundation for the shop that matches their color. The excavator's already dug 4 holes for the foundations. Let's pour some blue cement in here. Now we need to put the blue shop back. The helicopter can lend a hand there. It's lifting the blue shop up. And it's setting it on the new foundation. All done. Muffins and cupcakes are going to be sold in this shop. The green concrete mixer is pouring green cement mixture out of its drum. The orange one's pouring out some peach-colored cement. How pretty! The pink foundation's going here. The helicopter is putting the big lollipop back in place. The little yellow car is going to the shop for sweets. Enjoy your sweets. The helper cars are heading back to their garage. They really must get some rest now. There will be new work waiting for them tomorrow.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
This is a farm. Lots of domestic animals and birds live here. The chickens live in this coop. They lay eggs, which are then collected and taken to the store. The manipulator is carefully placing the eggs in a box. This is the pickup truck. It's come to the farm to collect the boxes of eggs, then take them to the store. The forklift is picking up the wooden pallet and putting it into the back of the pickup truck. Oops, one of the boxes is open, and the pickup truck hasn't noticed. And of course, all the eggs fell out on the first sharp turn. It's a good thing they didn't break. Now there are 5 eggs missing from the box. One of them is lying right on the road. Cars, can you gather up the eggs? Let's put them all back in this box. The red car found the first egg. Look, here's another one in the carrot patch. Yellow car, look again. What's that in the pig pen? Well done, you found it. The red car is looking in the chicken coop. That nest is empty. Here's an egg in this box of carrots. Now they're all back in the box. The pickup truck is driving to the store, but where are the little cars going? Look what the forklift is carrying. Jars of water, brushes, and paints. The cars are painting the eggs. Let's decorate the eggs with stickers. Then they'll be even more beautiful. A cupcake. Another cupcake. A flower. Now we've got a whole basket of beautiful, colorful eggs. Time for the helper cars to go back to the garage. There will be new tasks for them tomorrow.